Welcome this video. Above ground plant, a comprehensive gas to build and main term 1 incorporating an upper ground pond is an excellent way to bring tranquil beauty and even wolf life into your backyard without the extent request of an in-ground pond. Whether you look to enhance your gardening, create and relax environment, or provide a home or finish plants and above ground ponds often are versatile and customizable. Solved this gas will take you through the nonce step of build and maintains and above ground ponds include design. Consider material installing and care tape. When choose an upper ground ponds, unlike traditional ponds, they are made for drift, make the process quick and last, bring flexibility in placement. You can install it on various surfaces like patio, depth or gardening, better processing for finish, elevate ponds us like and cut more effect. A static appear with clear design, material and landscape. Above ground ponds can be a sticking focal point. Protesting. Some design allow you to recycling upon if need. Plants your above ground ponds. Before material and bring protection careful plants or successfully built. Here are the key features to consider. Choose the right location. Sunlight. The pots get 4 to 6 hours for sunlight daily for plants health with excellent growing. Level grouping. Stepping surface, weather imbalance and structure income. Promax of 2 power securing. For full fifth and light access, easy man entrance access. Discover on the size and shape. A long pan provide better water quality. Stick water casting more material. Popular chef requested a custom design. Consider your available space and purpose. Select material. Wood, trend wood or cladding for double framing. Bring or stone, often a rustic look, and add glabon. Material for plants frame. Lightweight and durable for modern. Paints light. PVC lined make trip and main entrance water quality. Step by step construction gas. Gather material and tool. Material need wood park or, or pro made pens frame, pens lines, pens spool for fiber, water plants for fish